Hey skincare enthusiasts! Looking to say goodbye to dark spots? Turmeric soap might just be your new best friend. Turmeric is packed with curcumin, a powerful compound that lightens hyperpigmentation by reducing melanin production. It also boasts anti-inflammatory properties to calm irritated skin and antioxidants to fend off free radicals. So how do you use turmeric soap for those pesky dark spots? Let's break it down. 1. You can use it as your daily cleanser. Wet your face with warm water, lather the soap in your hands, and gently massage it in. Focus on areas with dark spots. Rinse off with cool water to close your pores. 2. For a more targeted approach, use it as a spot treatment. Lather the soap, apply it directly to the dark spots, and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing off. This allows the turmeric to penetrate deeper. 3. Want an extra boost? Use it with a gentle exfoliating cloth or brush to remove dead skin cells, maximizing the soap's effectiveness. Remember to do a patch test first to avoid any allergic reactions. Turmeric can stain, so be cautious with your towels and clothing. If your skin looks a bit yellow, don't worry, it should wash off easily. Consistency is key. Use the soap regularly and you'll start seeing results in a few weeks. And always, always wear sunscreen. Turmeric makes your skin more sun-sensitive. Feeling crafty? You can even make your own turmeric soap at home. Melt a bar of melt and pour soap base, mix in 1 to 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, and add 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil. Pour it into soap molds, let it cool and harden, and voila! Turmeric soap can be a game changer in your skincare routine. Give it a try and watch those dark spots fade away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more skincare tips.